Amapolisa athi omnye umrhanelwa ugadwe ngamapolisa esibhedlele emva kokudutyulwa kufunyenwe imipu emithathu kwindawo yexhwayelo phakathi kwempahla ebiweyo zizihlangu nee-cellphone.
Today we had an incident which happened here this morning. What happened is that our guys were patrolling around the area and had an information. So when they come here, they found out that there were suspects who were robbing a Studio 88, and then those suspects started to shoot at our members, and then our members also shot back, and 4 suspects were fatally wounded. 1 is injured, and the other one is arrested. And the goods which were taken or stolen from that Studio 88 were recovered in that vehicle.
Ukanti umrhanelwa wesithandathu seluvalelweni.